58 Bravo Charlie, Hobby clearance clear to Alpha Alpha Oscar Airport via stick 7 departure, WTSON Transition, Whiskey Tango Sierra Oscar November, direct Bravo Yankee Papa, then direct, maintain 5,000, departure frequency 132.25, squawk 2444.
Prop 58 Bravo Charlie Hobby Tower. Roger, hold position on the ramp. I do have a Baron that's going to be inbound to the Wilson ramp. Are you guys at the front or the back?
I think I'm at the back, to be honest.
RDNA Bravo Charlie, Roger. Just a moment for that Baron, and if you get them in sight, they're going to be making the turn into the Wilson ramp. Just let me know. Meridian 5 Bravo, correction, 8 Bravo Charlie, that Baron is inbound to the south ramp now. Behind them, runway 4, taxi via Juliet, Kilo 1.
Alright, we got in sight to runway 4, Juliet, Kilo 1. We're trying.
Southwest 210, 2, join taxiway Charlie, hold short of runway 4.
Charlie short of 4, runway 102.
Southwest 2091, 1360 at 5, turn left heading 350, runway 13 right, clear for takeoff. Meridian 8 Bravo Charlie, wind is currently 360 at 5. Can you accept runway 4 at taxiway Juliet intersection? There's 5,100 feet available.
We can take that 5 right track.
Meridian 8 Bravo Charlie, runway 4 at Juliet, taxi via Juliet.
4, Juliet, via Juliet, 5 right track.
And Hobby Parr Cheyenne 34 Hotel, Cheyenne. How about citation 740 Juliet Mike on visual 13 right.
Citation 740 Juliet Mike, Hobby Tower 1350 at 4, runway 13 right, cleared land.
Direct for the land, 740 Juliet Mike.
Southwest 2102, cross runway 4 taxiway Charlie, continue via Zulu to the gates.
Cross 4 Charlie Zulu to the gate, Southwest 2102.
So throttle's really touchy. Let me show you this real quick. You can lift up on this, pull it up and over this little gate, and this is beta. To be honest, that's also beta.
Yeah.
But if you get it here, like when you go to stop for landing, pull it clear back. That's reverse.
Okay.
Doesn't do a whole lot of
Southwest 2091, contact Houston departure,
but
happy
if
day.
you're at 60,
Departure,
70 knots on the
Southwest
ground,
2091.
with all the wheels on the ground, you do that, it slows you down.
Tower Southwest 2418 with you the visual 13 right.
Southwest 2418, Hobby Tower 1340 at 3, traffic will depart the crossing runway prior to your arrival, Meridian, runway 13 right, clear to land.
Alright, so we're going to take off runway 4. It'll be a right turn. So, Quebec, Sticky, Watson, whatever BYP is. Forward.
Meridian 8 Bravo Charlie 1360 at 6, traffic on a 5 mile final for the crossing runway Boeing 737. Turn left heading 360, runway 4 at Juliet intersection, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff runway 4 at Juliet, left turn 360, 5,000, very much right. Alright, they want us to get
Citation 0 Juliet, Mike right at Kilo, right on Juliet, hold short of runway 4.
Be really
Kilo, right on
slow
Juliet,
with
hold
this
short of
throttle.
14.
I'll back you up. It's extraordinarily touchy.
Holding short of runway 4, 740 Juliet Mike.
We're gonna do that one and that one.
Okay.
Alright, start working it in. And we're going to take it clear up to the red line right there on torque.
Citation 0 Juliet, Mike cross runway 4 at taxiway Juliet, continue via Hotel 2, Hotel, hold short.
And left turn 360.
Yeah.
And flaps go back.
All right.
Traffic, 11 o'clock.
Citation 0 Juliet, Mike cross runway 17 at Hotel in Gulf Park.
Cross 17 and
CN 8 Bravo Charlie, contact Houston departure, have a safe flight.
Yeah, I'll turn it up here in a minute.
Departure low, Jetprop 58 Bravo Charlie 1,300, 5,000 heading 360.
Number 58 Bravo Charlie, Houston departure, we're to contact, maintain 5,000.
5,000. So if you want to hand fly, you can. You want autopilot?
I'll hand fly for a little bit.
Okay. Till 5,000. So
Till
you got
5,000
feet to go before you level off. And this thing will blow through altitude.
Okay, yeah.
Like you're probably going to want to start
0 Lima Papa, maintain via 400 above 3,500.
Probably going to want to start leveling off about 500 feet. Hold
November
airplane.
58 Bravo Charlie, fly heading at 330.
330.
Boy, you threw me to the wolves.
What? I'm working your radios for you.
I know it, I know it.
What you talking about? I mean, you are in a turboprop for the first time in a Class B airspace.
Yeah, yeah.
It's going to be a little overwhelming. All right, you got 1,000 feet to go.
All right.
More than likely, before you get there, they'll tell you a higher altitude, but you never know. It is a big Class B.
Henry Bravo Charlie, climb maintain 16,000. Good rate of climb through 10,000, please.
Expect 10 to 16, Bravo Charlie. All right, he wants you to expedite.
What can you climb at? 2,000?
4,000. I mean, I don't know, pitch for 100 knots.
Oh, wow.
So that's what, 3,200?
3,200, wow.
That's no fun. Then go for it. I like it when
Airport Delta
ATC
Mike
tells me
traffic
to
at 1 o'clock,
expedite.
3 miles southbound, out here 3,800.
Get an expedite. All right, gears up, flaps up.
37 uniform, airport 12 o'clock, 3 miles.
Switches where they all need to be here. District's working. Loving it.
I like it. I would be a lot more comfortable if it wasn't avionics weren't so unfamiliar.
269.6.
You haven't flown with a 530 yet?
No.
Henry Bravo Charlie, thanks for the help in the climb. Proceed direct SPICR.
Direct SPICR, Piper Charlie.
Henry Bravo Charlie, mid altitude to maintain 14,000.
14,000, Piper Charlie.
Henry Bravo Charlie, climb maintain 16,000.
16,000, Piper Charlie.
Henry 8 Bravo Charlie, proceed direct SPICR, Houston Center 134.8.
Direct SPICR, 134.8, Piper Charlie. Center hello, Jetprop 5 Piper Charlie, 15, climb 16, direct SPICR.
58 Bravo Charlie, Houston Center, climb and maintain flight level 190.
190, Piper Charlie. Scroll up to 19.
All right. Does that work?
Yep, it's working.
Okay.
You're not going to want to try to fly it by hand at 26,000 feet. I mean,
No,
you can.
no.
It's just going to be open.
58 Bravo Charlie, climb and maintain flight level 240.
240, Piper Charlie.
Matter of fact, I'm about ready to let George do the work here.
You want to? You can. You ready?
Yep.
Do enter with that button. 1, 2, that. There's only a couple button presses. There you go.
My goodness.
Right?
Yeah.
It's got it. So there's a yaw damper, which keeps
Yep.
it from wagging its tail, so you can see the yaw damper's on.
Right.
And it's already all the way to the
It'll be a
left.
minute.
So once we get up to altitude, level off, we'll have to adjust some things, but one of those is going to be turn off the yaw damper, stepping on the left rudder pedal, and then re-engaging the yaw
Southwest
damper. once we get to
2091,
center.
contact Fort Worth Center
Oh,
134.
okay. So why did you turn this all the way to the left? That just seemed odd to me.
So it's your rudder trim. Yeah, rudder trim and 182.
Yeah, we do, but it's usually just minor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you think about it, this used to be a Malibu. It 6-cylinder, 300 some horsepower piston engine on a 2, maybe 3-bladed prop. Now it's turboprop, operating on 560 horses with a big, massive 4-bladed prop.
Right.
So the left turning tendencies, right rudder, all that stuff is really kicking in. And so, like when we get to level, I'll show you. We'll recenter this, and the airplane just flies completely crazy.
Oh no, that's fine.
So, that Malibu is probably designed to, cruise at 120, 130 maybe-ish. About what we're doing right now, while we're doing a 1,500-foot climb.
Yeah.
So once we start getting up here near like the red line, or what would be yellow arc for the Malibu, which for whatever reason, I don't know why, when you take a
272, maintain for
piston,
280.
you have a red line way up
for
here,
now,
and a yellow arc
Fort
and
Worth has
green.
your request for
Although
high.
you just put a turboprop on it, instead of taking the top of the green ball yellow to the red comes down.
22 Victor Alpha, VFR 6.5, direct Georgetown.
When you start getting up near those speeds, you need a long left rudder.
36
That's how the airplane was designed to be a Malibu, but
Okay.
now
232, what's your airspeed?
So it just doesn't know what it doesn't know, and you're
Yeah.
kind of tricking it.
in
Your airspeed.
when they converted it, they didn't adjust any of. I mean, it's
272, contact Fort Worth Center
by the time
251.15.
they converted it from a Malibu to a Jetprop, you get a lot of weird stuff, and then they converted it from this is the original Autopilot. It's some junk. I mean, it's not really junk. It works real well, but it's all digital. Or no,
Yeah.
it's analog. Yeah, and then you start putting digital boxes in here and trying to make the two work, which is the point of this button right there. It's the difference between it talking to a GPS signal and like a ground-based signal, like a VOR or ILS. Make sense?
No.
I'm sorry, who was that?
Yeah.
Yeah, but no. I mean,
Wingspan 23 Houston, hello.
it's just different.
Yeah.
Is there a
Yes, we are. This will be a low pass only.
internal volume for the passengers?
Mike, just remain on your current clock and disregard
The only volumes you got are on your headset.
Thank you.
And then like, this radio will turn up and down. This is
19
already all the way down.
Houston Center 123.82.
Oh yeah, good gosh.
It's so touchy. I just leave it where it's at.
221
Yeah,
Houston
that's
Center,
fine.
climbing
It's just that I barely
282.
can hear you, and everybody else is just blowing my ears out.
I can't turn them down anymore.
Oh, that's fine.
I can turn everything down, but then you won't be able to hear me at all.
But you hear me just fine.
542 Whiskey Houston
See,
Center.
I talk with a lot more firmness than you.
I can put my big boy voice on.
There you go.
Then I'm screaming.
Stick the mic down your throat and do that. Yeah.
Weird things about this airplane. Like the nose wheel is kind of weird. So, you know, it falls and goes forward, but when it does that, it turns 90 degrees. So it's actually up in the wheel well like this right now, not like this.
Oh, you're kidding.
Yeah. So it rotates 90 degrees when it goes up and down.
2721, contact Houston
Which
Center
means there's a whole other
123.82.
mechanism and wobbly wickedness that can get loose and screw things up. So evidently that was one of the weird things about this airplane that they really focus on when you first start flying it, like your initial training,
Yeah.
is like awareness of your rudder and the nose wheel when you set the nose wheel down. This is definitely not one of those airplanes where you put the mains down and let the nose fall.
Yeah.
You shouldn't really do that in any airplane, to be honest, but this one, if you do that and it's going off, you just start shooting left and right of the room.
Oh.
So I was told, I don't really know if it's true or not. It sounds
Yeah, I'm
like,
just waiting on a handoff with Coke.
sounds like a lot of the crashes in these aren't people running off the end of the runway, it's running off the sides of the runway.
Oh, was it taken?
Yeah, just put the nose wheel down, it's like,
Oh, wow.
takes you off the side.
59984 Houston.
Yeah.
I did have this thing,
Number 8 Bravo Charlie, contact Forward Center 134.02. 704 via X-ray contact Houston
Oh,
Center
5.
133.
Center Jetprop 58 Bravo Charlie, level 26, flight level 260.
58 Bravo Charlie, forward center, thank you. Number 58 Bravo Charlie, expect to stay at 4,000. You're overflying Comanche traffic just over beach, now westbound toward Eisenhower 3500. Bravo Charlie, Park cancellation received. Stay with me, and if you want to give me a good ring down to 3 to get below, that would work as well.
he said the magic word.
58 Bravo Charlie, you can land in the north or south.
Now we're going straight in. Alright, let's get some air conditioning.
You can't do that.
58 Bravo Charlie, the Comanche's through your final now. He's west of beach. You can squawk VFR, change advisory, looks like. And there's one orbiting up there north of Jabbar, indicating 2600.
And it's going to be heavy, so you probably want to pitch it.
Yeah. There you go.
Jabbar traffic, ground 01 on our Fort Lima is about 2,500 indicated 2 miles east of the airfield, clear to
Beechcraft at Jabbar, what are you doing?
November 1 on our Fort Lima, Beechcraft here is transitioning Jabbar to Scammon, clear of Jabbar airspace.
Man, it's rough.
King Ranch traffic, light safe 2-1 is 1 mile north of the field at 2,600 descending, clear transitioning to the southwest, King Ranch.
King Ranch.
King Ranch?
What the fuck is King Ranch? That's life safe.
I think it's a King Air, but it's a...
Nah, it's a helicopter.
Oh, okay.
That's life safe. So it's just going to take quite a bit of right rudder, and you do not want to drop the nose wheel. Like, hold the nose wheel.
Okay, well.
Alright, you can go start slowing down, especially since we're hitting bumps. So.
Yeah.
What are these winds at?
Observation 2039er Zulu. Wind variable at 06. Visibility.
Right, Charlie, short final. Slowly can start working power out. Feet are off the brakes, right?
Yep.
bunch of flaps. So.
Environmental pressure is kind of clear, right? Clear, or where? There's her line guy. Is that my lovely wife?